Njengokusondela kwixesha leziyunguma, iJohannesburg City Parks and Zoos iqinisekisile ukuba ikulungele ukwamkela abemi kunye nabakhenkethi abavela kwiindawo ezahlukeneyo. Intatheli yethu yendaba uNobuhle Ndlovu ufaka le ngxelo.
Njengoba sesisondele isikhathi samaholidi kaKhisimusi, kwazise abantu abaningi bathuthelana endaweni ezahlukahlukene. Kanti iJohannesburg City Parks and Zoo bathi sebekulungele ukwamukela ivakashi endaweni zabo ezahlukahlukene. Kanti osukwini lanamhlanje uJenny Mudli okhulumela iJohannesburg City Parks and Zoo ukhulume nabezindaba iSoweto TV eThokoza Park wazise izakhamuzi ukuthi konke sekulungisiwe kanti sebekulungele nokwamukela ivakashi.
The festive season is around the corner, and we're here to appeal to visitors, park visitors, not just in Soweto or not just at Thokoza Park, but throughout the city, to adhere to the park compliance regulations. We want you to have an amazing time in the park, and I think the only way we can do that is if we all work together to ensure compliance and adherence to the bylaws. First and foremost, we urge you to plan your visit, look at the weather, and make sure you have clear skies.
Uphinde wathembisa ukuthi ezokuphepha nakanjani izobe iqinisekisiwe, wathi basebenza nezinhlaka ezahlukahlukene zokuqinisa ezokuphepha.
We will have in place random patrols by the park rangers. JMPD will have a very visible presence here at Thokoza Park, together with the equestrian unit. They will be patrolling and they will be issuing fines. So we appeal to you that we don't want to mar your holiday or your experience at the park. Please adhere to these regulations, steer clear from alcohol. We want you to have a blessed and happy holiday. And I think the only way to do that is just to make sure your family is safe and that you are safe.
Ubesenxusa abantu ukuthi noma ngabe bayahamba emapaki baqikelele ukuba bawashiya ehlanzekile ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngiseThokoza Park.